A man gets kicked out of a Walmart, comes back, destroys a door on his way out, runs from police, fights during the arrest, and then admits everything on camera. Here's the full story.
Hey, what's up?
It's gonna be this man right here. He gets really combative, so we had asked him to leave earlier this afternoon. And then he came back. I don't know if he was shot or what he was doing, but I just got that like brief look of him right here, and he was cussing at the customers.
Okay.
So I told him he needed to leave. That's when he comes over here and he's arguing with me, and I'm telling him like, man, like if you come back, like I'm gonna call PD. I don't really care.
Hey, where you at? No, it's not him. At the bus stop where there was a guy with pushing 3 carts and whatnot. Yeah, and that's him. 3 carts. He's wearing like a green. It's like a black leather jacket with brown pants, and he has like a blue plaid sweater or shirt. Yeah, he was pushing 3 carts when I passed through him, because I saw him, and I mean he was wearing brown, green. But you need me to go? Let me know. He was there he was just fixing up the carts. He's there by the bus stop. He was wearing like a green, gray, black leather jacket, a blue plaid shirt, and brown pants, and like white shoes.
Hold up. What's up? No, I'm not white.
Yeah.
Oh, he just by the list. Okay, yeah, the PD coverage with him.
A ver, te mando una foto. Ahora.
He passed this one? Okay. Is he headed back this way? You could just hit the space bar and then it'll push it one more time.
Right there.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. All right. Bye. Yeah, he was arguing with me. He was like, I don't give a fuck, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, okay, man, like, next time you come, for sure, I'm calling PD, like, you need to leave, I don't care. And then he just kept saying that, and I kind of made it worse, because I was just kind of, like, telling him, no, man, like, keep doing it,
Yeah, no, I get you.
So then
I'm just trying to figure out if it's damaged, because if it's damaged, now we have criminal damage to property.
Yeah.
But if it's not damaged and it's, like...
Well, it's not opening or closing, the door itself, we had to, they're trying to fix it. But yeah,
that's what I'm saying. Like if it's able to operate, like if it's like just
it's like
needs
falling
to be
right
done,
there.
like it needs to be tightened up. Then I mean, there's really not much we can do.
Yeah.
We did see him over there. I mean, we found some other guy with a green jacket. And this guy had a green black leather jacket.
It's kind of hard to tell.
Yeah. If you want, did your boss say how much the door's worth?
Well, they said for them to even come look at it, it's $2,000.
Okay.
So it's that, but I don't even know how much.
And you guys want to pursue charges?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Want him trespass? He likes to throw rocks at other people's cars. Comes in, causes a problem every time. So.
Okay. Let me drive around real quick and look at my partner, and then I'll just come back and get more information, okay?
Alright.
What's up? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Andre. Yeah, from Yahoo? Direct 760. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stop. Relax. Relax. Got the hand? Get on one side? Yeah.
Ah! Look right there! Look right there!
Okay. I could do one.
I don't know. La vaya de pendejo, güey. ¡Ey! ¡Súbete los dos! ¡Ah!
Relájate.
¡Ah!
Hey, relájate.
¡Ay!
Relájate.
¡Ay, bicho!
We have you
¡Ay,
on video.
pego! ¡Ah! ¡Shit! ¡Ah! 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 Ese no es big attack, bro.
Relax.
¡Ah!
We're gonna be in the Metro T-Mobile. It's FIO
¡Ah!
555.
¡Ah! 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 ¡Oh! 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 ¡Ah!
Are you calm now? Are you calm?
¡Ah! ¡Ah!
Hey,
You're not gonna get my fucking bitch up out of there, fool! Fuck you, bitch ass dude!
Oh, by the way, I got battery. You can see. Nah, look away.
Ah!
Still kicking. 6:30, just 49. We got battery in appeal.
Ah! Ah!
hey, relax.
Ah! Ah!
Bro, relax. That way we could take you to our unit. You can sit down. What's your name?
Ah!
What's your last name?
Ah!
Should we get a wrap? Hey, what's your last name? That way we get you up out of here. Huh? What? Stand by. He's still moving around. Can you get a unit with a wrap?
Ah!
I got nothing.
Eso es el Messi que we have. Fuck you.
He's not. Where's he bleeding from? No, I'm bleeding from here. But hey, can we stand you up? You gonna be able to comply?
No, bro.
Huh?
Tú eres pay away from me acá.
I don't understand what you're
You're
saying.
not
Bro.
gonna get my apartment.
Huh?
You ain't gonna be in my apartment.
I don't want
going to
you.
your apartment.
No one's your apartment, dude. We're just trying to stand you up so that way medical come check you out.
Why you take me out of here over there?
All right.
Ready?
Oh. Oh.
You know what, bro?
You got gloves or not?
Yeah. You got it? Right. Just moving sideways.
I think that bitchy, that crow that's my water thing, it ain't no bitchy stalker. That's my fishy, that is still it.
Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead and stand up. Ready? 1, 2.
Oh,
Let's go this way.
hey, I need my coat.
We'll get everything right now.
Bring it out, because I don't want anybody to think me wearing it. And then they fucking go do stupid shit. Like it's over other. Like, and I ain't what do you think? Take it out. I ain't messing with me. I tell you now. What the fuck you always fucking trying to fucking bitch fuck me over for?
No one's fucking you over.
Yeah, you are.
You damaged door.
I did.
Yep. Have it on video.
I did.
Okay. Take a seat for us.
I know.
Hey, what's your name, bud?
What?
So right now, you're charged for.
That's the way you over do it. I'm not having
I have video of you hitting the door and breaking it.
What's
your last
You know
name?
what? I'll be on CIA, fool.
What's your last name?
I'm not gonna be checked out.
What's your last name?
What do you think? I'm not gonna fucking be here?
What's your last name? What's your last name? ¿Eh? ¿Cómo te apellidas? ¿Cómo te apellidas?
I don't remember.
¿Alavera?
No.
¿Cómo te apellidas?
I don't know my last name. I don't know his last name either. I don't know your last name.
My last name is Prieto. Look,
I don't know.
I'm gonna give you an option. You tell me what your name and date of birth is, or is it gonna be an extra charge for?
What do you mean an extra charge?
Because right now you're not compliant.
I know you're gonna see it. Ain't no see it.
Okay.
But
Right
I
now
know
you're
that
not
shit.
compliant.
I don't know what's going on.
Right now you're not compliant. So I'm gonna need your name and date of birth. If not, you're gonna get charged for interference. Failure to identify.
There's no joy in there now. Yeah. So why? Because of my lighter? Because of my pichette?
No, because we saw you.
Because of money I owe something?
We have video footage of you pushing the car.
No, eso no son órdenes. My orders ain't not to be going to jail and shit. Por la culpa de los pinches putas levas se dan cardú a la verga. And you say, oh, que me va a quedar contigo. I don't have time. I don't have time to fucking help her while bitch shop her fucking bitch groceries and none of that shit.
No one.
I don't give a fuck.
Are you talking about Social Security?
What the fuck you mean?
Are you talking about child support? We're not talking about.
No,
child
none
support.
of that shit. I don't know any fucking charges. None of that shit.
Okay.
And then I get this piece of time traveling and none of that shit. We're not gonna be getting gas tonight, she can. They say that you guys look like a big piece of bitch and mistake us. I don't know what the fuck you bothered me before. I don't know about you, dude. A long time ago, I was bitchy released and all that shit. And they were like, bitchy, you were afraid, or whoever the fuck was afraid because I was bleeding out. I was bitchy bullet wounded. That's why I have that bitchy ziploc bag. Doesn't mean locking back in there, bitchy gambling, bitchy, none of those things. And I ain't fucking pushing back straight door.
Okay.
I sent it to 828.
Yeah. Turn on my light switch. I saw him throwing something like he was throwing rocks down over there.
Yeah, I did.
You saw it? I just opened up my takedowns. I'm gonna close the door.
What's up, Jose? You remember me or no? Yeah, Jose. There you go. Yeah.
Well, you don't want to fuck.
Alright.
You don't even know what the fuck I mean.
Okay. Jose, just real quick, are you gonna want to talk to me or no?
For what?
About the incident that happened today. I just
Well,
need.
I'm
Well.
gonna be wearing my suit soon.
Okay.
You know what you
So I'm
saw in
gonna-
the video, right?
I'm just gonna read you something real quick. Okay. I just need you to listen to me. Okay. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything
You don't have
you
to fucking
say.
read it, just take book me in. Okay?
I do because I
Only
want
you have to fucking be following me.
because I want to ask you some questions.
Let me see.
Okay. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any of my questions or make any statements. Do you understand?
You better not be fucking around with the video and shit.
Do you? Do you understand these rights? Jose, do you understand these rights? I need a verbal. I need a verbal.
Get the fuck out.
I need a verbal yes or no. Do you understand these rights as I've read them to you? I need a verbal yes or no.
Yeah.
Huh? No?
Who fucking shot me? Which one about the bitch ass whisker dude?
No, nobody.
One of mine was fucking shot.
Nobody.
Afterwards.
No. Listen, Jose. Do you want to talk to me? Yes or no? Do you understand your rights? I need a verbal yes or no. I need you to say yes, you understand, or no, you do not understand your rights.
Another one was fucking Hellcat. Shit,
Jose, yes or no?
that's all I remember.
All right.
15 years ago.
Sounds good. Suspect refused to speak.
Lozoya Antonio was charged with felony criminal damage to property, battery on a peace officer, resisting arrest, and trespassing. He is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. Most people who get kicked out of a store just go home. This guy came back. And on his way out the second time he took out a sliding door. Now, in the moment that probably felt like nothing. Frustration, a shove, a door flying open. But cameras caught every second of it. The store manager had the footage ready before officers even made it back to the parking lot. And that's what turned a trespass into a felony. Not the fight. Not the running. The door. Because once you cross that $400 threshold in California, the charge changes, and so does everything that comes with it. He ran from it anyway. He fought when they caught him. And an officer went home with a scrape that needed super glue because of a Walmart sliding door. So ask yourself, at what point does a bad decision stop being impulsive and start being a pattern? Because this wasn't his first time being asked to leave. And it probably won't be his last time in handcuffs.